Hi, it's been just hours where we have launched the prosthetic suite, and thank you so much for the overwhelming response to it. And I want to show you what exactly the prosthetic suite contains. It contains years of my hard work compiled all for you so that you can learn all the prosthetic steps in immediate load implantology step by step, sitting at the comfort of your home. So let me quickly show you what the combination actually includes. So it's a 3-in-1 pack which includes the clinical videos of the prosthetic steps. So all the clinical steps which I'm going to show you very soon, the videos are compiled so that you can view from your desktop or from your mobile at your convenient time. Pre-recorded webinars, so these are several webinars wherein we have discussed the various prosthetic steps, and of course the prosthetic book which will be shipped to you whenever you sign up for this prosthetic suite. So you can go through this prosthetic textbook as well, wherein you can apply the theory and then correlate with all the clinical steps shown to you. So let me quickly show you the contents of what you will receive once you sign up and which you can view online. So the moment you sign up for the prosthetic suite, you will get access to this kind of folder wherein you will see the clinical steps for BCS and KOS implants. You will get the clinical steps for BCS MU and KOS MU. These are the single piece retrievable screw retained implants, and the access to the pre-recorded webinars. Now let me show you quickly what is the content of each of these folders. So the moment you click in, you will now get the various techniques within these folders: the technique of making the impression, the technique of taking the jig trial, technique of welding, technique of taking jaw relation, technique of taking second jaw relation, cementation, various tips and tricks, and how to do the final occlusal balancing. Now let me just quickly open up one video for you. So as you see here, you are watching the metal trine in the patient's mouth step by step, wherein we are taking the various metal trine, performing the various steps for an accurate metal trial. Let me open up another video. Now this video I have opened up from the KOS BCS MU folder. So as I mentioned, there are various clinical steps of the KOS as well as BCS MU. So you see here that there is the step of impression making, placing the impression post, joining the impression post, how to mix the pattern resin, connecting the pattern resin, joining the pattern resin, reinforcing it, checking the impression, taking the jaw relation, taking the bite. All this videos you will get, how to pour it exactly, what instructions to give to your lab, where exactly you should trim, how to make the jig trial. So let me just open up one video from the KOS BCS MU folder, which will give you a clear idea about how the single piece implants impression making with the impression post is done. Okay, and once you're done with learning all these steps, you can watch all the surgical placements of the KOS BCS MU implants. So this is the pre-op OPG of the patient in which the KOS BCS MU implant was placed, and this is the post-op OPG. And this is the post-op OPG of the same patient, and the entire surgery has been recorded for you, wherein you can view this complete surgery at the convenience of your home. So this is the placement of the BCS MU implant in the patient's mouth, and I will just put on the volume also. So this is the surgery where you are watching it step by step and understanding all the steps needed for the BCS and KOS MU implant placement. Once you are done with all these surgeries, you can also access the webinars, the pre-recorded webinars. There are several pre-recorded webinars put in. I'll just open up one pre-recorded webinar for all of you. So these webinars include various tabletop demonstration and lectures wherein you can go through them, and all these tabletop demonstrations with the lectures you will get detailed tips and tricks for the prosthetic steps. So friends, I hope along with this detailed textbook where all the clinical steps, laboratory steps, selection of materials is given, you watching all the videos, the clinical videos of QS, BCS and the single piece retrievable implant prosthesis, everything is going to become crystal clear to you. The welding, when to do the welding, what kind of materials to use, what are the different kind of frameworks, what should be the occlusal balancing, how to take the jaw relation, common issues with the impression making and much more, everything much in detail in the prosthetic suite. So I hope this product gives you a value add when you are making the basal implant or immediate load implant prosthetics for your patients. Thank you.